This is the story of Katie and Jane, who are now successful businesswomen. Last year, Katie felt trapped in her job but always dreamt of starting her own business. And Jane, she was a busy working mum, tired of commuting and wanting to spend more time with the kids. They were fed up and ready for a change. Fortunately, they met Kim, who was a professional weight management coach. Kim told them about the Ideal Weight franchise opportunity and how being an Ideal Weight coach had helped her change her life for the better. She described how rewarding it was earning money while helping people make positive lifestyle changes. They learned that weight loss is a lucrative industry and that over 60% of people in the UK are overweight. She explained how they could become an Ideal Weight coach and get all the training, support and tools they needed to build a thriving business. Katie and Jane were interested, but wondered whether they should buy into a franchise or go into business alone. A couple of statistics answered that question. Did you know that 92% of franchises are profitable while only 10% of new business startups are? And that only 4% of franchises fail in the first year, compared to 50% of businesses that start up on their own? With everything they were learning and earnings of £1,000 per week and beyond, it really seemed like more than just a business opportunity. Jane and Katie didn't want to miss out, so they got in touch with Ideal Weight to find out how to get started. Now, 1 year later, they are happy with their flexible lifestyle and haven't looked back. They now have more money, more time, and more freedom to do the things they want to do, when they want to do them. If you want to know more about becoming an Ideal Weight coach, get in touch now. We will help you build a business that is flexible, successful, and rewarding in every way.